All right. So we're just getting our radius arms hooked up. So this is gonna go to the alignment shop after.
Oh yeah, it'll work.
Bitchin'. Let's crank her down, Wick. We're gonna put our shocks in.
Rather be lucky than good any day.
Absolutely. Now doing the tie rod's our next fun little battle.
Yeah, that's got to be less than that battle we just won.
Yeah, we won this battle quickly too. And Scotty's over here doing rear wheel cylinders because he's the maestro of changing these out with everything in the car because I've seen him do it 100 times. Because you are the wheel cylinder guy. Ooh, Scotty's doing his magic. Are you a brake
Apparently,
wheel
I'm
cylinder
the
guy? Of course you are.
yeah.
You're the man. The man, the myth, the legend.
I have been. I
Masturbator.
Hey, I resemble that remark. Thank you very much.
Yes.
But the backs are done. That took me,
10
I think,
minutes.
not even. I think it was like 7 and some change.
All right.
But I mean, who's?
If you grab the right part.
Yeah, is that including putting the wrong one on first?
Yes, yes.
Is it just a little
That's
different?
my fault. I gave him the wrong one.
Oh, Peter fesses up.
I did it.
All right.
The bolt pattern match.
The bolt pattern did match.
You don't have to bail out, Scotty. We're going to give him
So
shit
Wick's
anyway.
doing the grease fittings, getting that buttoned up. We're going to grease all the steering and
Right.
suspension. Oh, girl's going to do some
I'm
strapping.
gonna put a strap on.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Are you a strapping young lad?
He will be.
That's what he... With neck tattoos, right?
Yeah.
That's what you need?
Actually, I just heard that I need to go to America's Tire now.
Is there neck tattoos?
There's some. Apparently, Aaron found a little
Little neck
Easter egg
tattoo?
over there today.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Cute. All right, so you're strapping.
They normally go right.
Okay,
yes.
side, but
What are we
yeah.
doing? We good?
Yeah, they're learning about the
Says vent, yeah.
vent.
Vent.
for the differential.
I've
Yes.
never seen one.
We actually just discussed that on the 64.5 that's on the lift in our shop.
Yep.
Okay.
Because we need to change that out because the hose is dry rotted
It's
and
split.
cracked and.
This one's
And-
flexible, but it's rusty.
And we're not
To
fans
get
of
that
the brake.
piece off the frame is
A nightmare.
not going to be fun.
All right, then we got to get shock action, some pump
Shock.
action, and away we go.